Hello friends, thank you so much for stopping back in. Today's video is a collaboration with Miss Marilyn from Marilyn Cozy Lifestyle, and she asked us to do a tablescape, and she do a monthly color, and this month color is green. And I thank you so much for stopping in. So friends, in today's video I am ending some summer things and I'm beginning to do some fall, and this is my first fall tablescape. And because she asked us to add some green, I wanted to bring a beautiful lime green on today. And I thank you so much for watching. If you're new today, I would love you to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and please do leave a comment. Friends, tell me what you think about my first fall tablescape. Now I did a little DIY in this, and I had to go to the Dollar Tree. I went to another one from out of my town, and they had some beautiful green flowers, and these are the beautiful green flowers that I have as a centerpiece. Sorry, I do not know the names of the flowers, but this lime green is so beautiful. Friends, I want to mention her other two co-hosts, Miss Stephanie from Created With Me with Miss Stephanie, and we also have Miss Theology, and these ladies' links will be in my description box. Please go back and watch the playlist. And I also believe it was Miss Marilyn's birthday, and I saw it on her community page that she's 60 years old. Congratulations, you look so good, and I pray God continue to bless you and you continue to be prosperous as you age gracefully. You look real good, so happy birthday, Miss Marilyn. Friends, fall is my favorite season. I just can't wait to see the fall come in. Now, I did a tablescape today for 2. This is a setting for 2. And guys, my centerpiece is a DIY vase. And that beautiful pumpkin leaves you see on the bottom, I got that from the Dollar Tree. These apples, I already had it from Hobby Lobby. So that green is a beautiful color, and there's so many different colors of green. Now these plates, I have these pumpkin plates, and I love the green and the orange, the fall colors. I bought these from Family Dollars, I think about 2.5 to 3 years ago, and they were only like $1.99. I do have a set of 4, but here I'm just doing 2. So I have some pumpkins on my table. Now this charger is like a leather type charger. I never used it, but I bought it from the thrift store. And of course I'm using they are called woven bohemian table mats, and I'm using my napkin holder, which is the brown color, and the napkins are a tan color. Now, when I did the DIY, I decided just to do it black so it can coordinate with other tablescape things I may do or centerpieces I may do. So you may see that again. And everything else, like I said, I already have. My gold spoons, I got it from Amazon. So I hope y'all enjoyed this. I enjoyed being in this, and I thank Miss Marilyn and her co-host for putting this together. Friends, I hope you get something out of this tablescape that you can use for your own use. Friends, continue watching, and I'll be back at the end of the video. friends, thank you so much for watching my video. I truly appreciate it. As always, I have some more videos for you on my end screen, and please do subscribe, like, and comment. I appreciate each one of you and your comments. God bless you. Continue to have a blessed weekend. Love y'all from Penny. Bye-bye.